Let's change the battery in your 2019 Honda Civic key fob and save money instead of going to the dealer. All you need is a CR2032 battery. Slide this small tab at the back and pull out the metal key. There's a small slot here. Use the key to twist the fob open. Remove the old battery. Take your new CR2032. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Line up the two halves, press them together, and snap it shut. And that's it. Done in 1 minute. Test the fob. If it doesn't work, check the battery placement.